Hi guys, this is the latest sad news coming from IIMS that Uber have revoked all the job offers which were made to the graduates from IIMS, SPGen and MDI. So all the high profile jobs have been taken away by Uber. The new college graduates who were landed with the top job offers from above average salaries are now staring at an uncertain future. Ride-hailing platform Uber have revoked the job offer extended the management graduates at the premium business schools of MDI, IIMS, MDI, SPGen have been now revoked. So this came as a part of the international level as well. So Uber have fired almost 15% of their staff. 3,700 staff of Uber have lost their job, and it was told on the Zoom call. So they made a Zoom call for all the employees and everyone was fired. 15% staff have been laid off here. Uber obviously affected the most because if there is no traveling allowed in the lockdown, so Uber have zero income coming. See, a lot of businesses have gone online, so they can do their business online, so they can at least survive for the time being. But Uber, because of the travel company, it have to go bust. So Uber have gone down, so they have taken away the job offer from the Uber. So but this is the see, obviously the market is down, no doubt about this. So Nikhilesh, the student who has sent me this thing, have uncertain is uncertain about his future कि मेरा क्या होगा, ये क्या होगा. See, 2020 what happened. 2021 we are staring at at least 15 to 20% drop in the average salaries. It is bound to happen obviously. But 2022, 2023 market will recover like anything. Yeah. Indian GDP is predicted to grow at 1.9%, which is one third of today's growth in 2020, sorry, which means 2021 placements will be affected because placement is happening in Jan. So Jan placement will go down thoda sa. But by 2022, 2023 market will recover. So those who are going for their MBA now, please don't worry about that. By the time you'll be passing out, by the time 2022 will come, market will recover. Yeah, and 2023, obviously everything will be normal. Yeah, which college you are going for, decide that based on the fact that are you happy with that college or not. That's a different issue. But don't defer your plans because of the fact that coronavirus have hit. Yeah, coronavirus is going to be here. Obviously, this year will be affected. आप खुद देखो ना यार, market 2021 will recover. Yeah, 1.9% is the expected GDP growth for the 2020. 2021 market expected to grow at 7.5%, 4 times more. So the job placement, everything become normal after that in 2022. Yeah. So my audience for this video, which is the my normal audience, is the the final year students, the who are going to join this year and who are going to join the next year, CAT 2020. For them, you people are safe because those who are going for CAT 2020 will be passing out by 23. तब तक market will recover. Yeah, the major people who are stuck is those who are in the second year today. तो अगर आपका कोई भाई है who is in second year MBA today, his placement, he have to be super smart, he have to work extra hard so that he can be the top 80% of the batch who will get the top jobs. Last 20% of batch is going to suffer anyways this year. But 2022, 23, everything will be recover. In fact, you are the part of the growth curve. So learning is the best, opportunities are the best. You can see the market again growing from Sensex 9,000 to 12,000 again. So that's you are going to be part of that party. As of today, as of yesterday evening, the Sensex went down by 2.5%. The market is down by 2.5%. Yeah, so this market will be up down for the time being. But if you look at the graph for 2022, market will recover. Yeah, so आप ये न्यूज़ पढ़ो, ये न्यूज़ को समझो. This is your homework कि क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा, क्या हो रहा है. Yeah, in fact situation is even worse than this as of today. Trust me, I'm not making the video on that. Yeah, but I'm just making the video on the news which have come in the paper. Unofficially the news I'm getting from the students at B schools, situation is really very bad. वो मैंने पहले कहा था यार, 2008 में भी ऐसा ही हुआ था. If you want me to make a video on that, I can make a video. Yeah, but market will, for you, look at the 2022-23 ka scenario for the placement point of view. Alright, so don't need to panic. All the best.